If you have issues with WhatsApp calls not showing on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, the first thing that we can do is go to the settings and we're gonna open apps, and here we need to find WhatsApp. There we go. Let's go over here and we need to grant permission. So in my case, I didn't actually allow any permissions. So what you can grant is, for example, call logs, the camera, if you use camera for WhatsApp calling. However, if not, then of course you don't have to do that. And then we can also grant permission to the microphone. There we go. Let's also choose notifications. We need to grant notifications as well. We can also show content on lock screen too. Then we also go to phone and allow phone access for this app, and messaging or SMS. And I think these are the essential permissions that should be enabled or allowed for the app. Just to be sure, we can also go to notifications and make sure once again that notifications are enabled for WhatsApp, especially the lock screen notification. And you can also make sure that the content of lock screen notification is enabled, although I'm pretty sure if it's hidden then it doesn't really matter that much. But just for the sake of this video, in order to check if that helps, of course you can enable it for just for a second. If you still have issues with WhatsApp not working properly, you can also go to storage and we can clear data. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!